That's right. Before calling their first witness, the defense was able to get 2 criminal counts thrown out against Linthicum, even the state agreeing that they didn't do enough to prove that Linthicum intended to hurt his own father. But all of the charges involving the other officers still stand.
Following 5 days of gut-wrenching testimony and chilling body-worn camera footage, the state resting their case against 26-year-old David Linthicum, arguing the evidence speaks for itself.
All right, Chih, you got a look?
Taking center stage, police video showing Linthicum opening fire on Officer Jonathan Chih from just feet away, shooting him in the face and arms before stealing his unmarked police truck and driving off. It was a bad nightmare, said Chih, testifying he thought Linthicum was a hitchhiker in need of help. 2 jury members brought to tears watching the incident unfold, despite the defense questioning why Chih confronted a man walking alone on a dark road while a manhunt was underway.
Do you think that the testimony today hurt your case?
No comment.
Leaving the courthouse, defense attorney Deborah Levy tight-lipped, but inside also highly critical of the initial response from 3 officers attempting to make contact with Linthicum.
David is Officer Arnett. Can I talk to you?
After his dad, seen here, called 911 reporting Linthicum armed and suicidal.
David, you gonna shoot me?
Linthicum's only response.
He's got a gun. You're gonna have to, then shoot me.
A barrage of bullets.
Shots fired.
Shot fired.
16 rounds in total, sending officers fleeing to safety. Outside, Linthicum's dad, John, emerging unscathed, but Officer Barry Jordan,
Barry, you are hit.
struck in his hip and lower back. Attempting to throw out a series of attempted murder charges, the defense arguing David Linthicum fired into a wall. There is nothing to prove David Linthicum even knew officers were there. There is not one shred of evidence David Linthicum intended to kill a soul on that day, besides himself. In response, the state calling the argument ludicrous, saying each of those officers were exposed to a barrage of gunfire. It's disturbing that an argument of that nature would even be made. Ultimately, 2 of Linthicum's 27 charges were dismissed, both counts accusing Linthicum of attacking his dad, John, who seemed unsatisfied with the decision.
State hasn't proved a lot of things.
Telling us his son never meant to hurt him.
You feel like your son was never taking aim at you?
No, I know he wasn't taking aim. I could train a monkey to shoot me at that distance. There's a whole lot more they need to throw out.
Now, the defense's first witness was the mom of Linthicum's ex-girlfriend. The defense attempting to ask her about a previous suicide attempt that Linthicum allegedly made back in 2022. But that line of questioning was not allowed in court for legal reasons that remain unclear. Reporting in Baltimore County, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.